Welcome to Hyve. We're going to show you how to install the new 320 base pad. So as you see in the bag here, I'm going to dump the bag out. I have the parts here: new base, 062 pin, and the set screw. This Allen wrench is to retain the spring. This one's to tighten up the 256 screw. And all the other little cool parts. So I'll take this Allen wrench, I'll depress it just like that. I'm going to take my thumb and capture the spring. I'm going to remove this, just set this aside. And that. Now I'm going to take the same Allen wrench. Now that we have the base pad removed, we're going to depress the spring, capture with the Allen wrench. Now, we want to make sure that that spring doesn't flip like that, because when it goes in there, it'll actually flip like a slinky ding. So I'm going to look at that, go, that's good. I'm going to hold it in there like that, grab my base. And I'm going to slowly, now that that's in, I'm flush to here. I'm going to drop the dowel pin in. I'm going to use my little Allen wrench, and you can see it. I just pushed it down there. You can see it's right there. That's now captured the magazine from moving front to back. Now, because I've been assembling these all morning, I have a little tool I made. This is the same one. I'm going to install the 256 set screw. Comes in at an angle. And I'm trying to hold it to the camera, that's why I have the tool here. Just like that. Go in there. Tighten it up. And there you have it. I'm going to install it on the gun. You can also look in here to see if the spring's laying down flat. Like I said, every once in a blue moon I will get it where the spring will actually roll over if I'm holding it down too tight. If that happens, you could also use your Allen wrench to undo it. You can kind of pull the spring back and get it to lay flat. Very rare that'll happen, but if it happens, then you also can remove it. So I'm going to install it onto the gun. Show you guys how it fits. Like our other designs, it follows the flow of the handle. As you can kind of see, as the radius kind of comes up, it kind of tails down. Same in the back, these points meet.